Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Today's topic introduction. This is a chapter 2 taken from the NCERT pattern. Here we will discuss about nutrition in animal. So let's start. Before I start this topic, I will request you please subscribe, like and more share and press red button. And now let's start and enjoy this video. Okay, this is a very interesting fact and knowledgeable topic, nutrition in animals. So here we will discuss about introduction. In previous chapter we learned that plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis, but animals cannot make their food themselves. Okay, the animals they have not capable for make their own food. So here we will discuss animal get their food from the plants, either directly or eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plant. So animal exhibit heterotropic modes of nutrition. So animal have a heterotropic mode of nutrition. Again, from previous chapter it is clear that all living organisms, both plants and animals, need certain nutrients to stay alive and grow, and true nutrients are obtained from food. Since this chapter is about nutrition in animal, so in this chapter we will learn about the process of intake and utilization of food in animal. Okay, so we already know the plants is capable for make their own food themselves, use for some raw materials, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and waters and minerals comes from the soil, and sunlight comes from the sun, carbon dioxide comes from the air. So during this photosynthesis process require this raw material, and plants make their own food themselves. So but we already know animals cannot make them food. Okay, so animals get their food from plants, direct and indirectly depend upon the plants. The animals eats plant, and so some animals eats other animals. So here we will discuss about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So all the animals can be divided into three groups on the basis of their food habits. This is first one, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Here we will discuss this is herbivores. What is herbivores? How can define? All the animals can be divided into three groups on the basis of their food habits. Okay, three groups divided on the basis of the food habits of animals. Okay, so three food habits. First one, herbivores. This is, you can see this here. This is a herbivore. Second points we will take carnivores, and third omnivores. So what is herbivores? These are herbivores. Those animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Example, goat, cow and deer. Okay, so here this is showing this diagram. This is a herbivore plants, zebra. The herbivores eat plants. Herbivores animals only eat plants. Okay, cow, giraffe, elephant, rabbit. You can see this diagram and draw in your notebook. Herbivorous examples of this is showing here this diagram. Example of herbivores: zebra, elephant, cow, giraffe and rabbit. They eat plants. Okay, and next we will take second points, carnivores. Those animals eat other animals as food are called carnivores. Example are lion, tiger and lizard. So what is the carnivores? Those animals which eat only other animals. Those animals which eat only other animals as a food are called carnivores. Example, lion, tiger and lizard. Okay, so here we will see this diagram. This is a carnivorous animal. You can easily draw in your notebook. Example of carnivores: this is a fish, a snake. They are eat only other animals. Okay, they can eat only other animals. They are carnivores. Okay, so what is the carnivores? Those animals which eat only other animal as a food are called carnivores. Examples taken: lion, tiger and lizard. It's so third point we will take omnivores. Those animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Those animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivore. Example are man, dog and cow. So here this is a example of omnivores. This is a third line you can see here. This is omnivores. Omnivores eat both plant and animals. The example are omnivores: man, hen, bear. This is a omnivore. Dog, though they both plant and animals. Okay, so this is called omnivores. So let's revise again before we start this revision. Please, I will request you subscribe, like, more, share and press bell red button and increase your knowledge this fact. And this is a taken from NCERT pattern for class 7 students. So this is a content very important. You can write down in your notebook and easily draw in your notebook this diagram related to this content. With this content, in the previous chapter we learned that plants can prepare their own food and photosynthesis, but animals cannot. We already know plants capable for make food themselves and animals cannot themselves make their food. Animals get their food from plants either directly by eating plants or indirectly eating animals that eat plants. So animals exhibit heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Again, from previous chapter it clear that all organisms, both plants and animals, need contain nutrients to stay alive. Okay, so all organisms include animals, plant and human means need a certain nutrients for survival life, to stay alive. Okay, and grow, and these nutrients are obtained from food. So where is obtained this type of nutrients? They grow and these nutrients are obtained from food. Okay, so since the chapter is about nutrition in animal, we will learn about the process of intake and utilization of food in animals. So here we will discuss below this content. This is a 3 point. All the animals can be divided into 3 groups on the basis of their food habits. The animals can be divided on the basis of their food habits. These are herbivores, those animals which eat only plants and called herbivores. Examples are goat, cow and deer. And carnivores, those animals which eat only other animals as a food are called carnivores. Example are lion, tiger and lizard. Omnivores, those animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example are man, dog and eats. So we will finish here this video, and again I will request you, please subscribe, like and more, share, press red button and increase your knowledge with this channel. This is a taken from NCERT pattern for class 7. Please, any query, ask me without hesitation in this video description box. All previous video link I will put up in this video description box. So take care, be happy and stay in home. Goodbye, take care.